going on, everybody? We're just getting the stream set up, so just give me a sec to finesse this a little bit. Alright, cool. Yeah, let's see here. Let me pull it up on my browser. Keep an earphone off. Got my daughter in the room. Cool. Let's make sure that we got volume real quick. Let's go ahead. I think this is probably going to be a little bit shorter of a stream today. Gotta hit the gym and do some stuff. I'm probably going to be working on this site a bit later. Not sure if I'll stream again, but might just do that off stream. I gotta get a haircut at some point too, man. I see my hair getting longer here. Let's see, Neo's on. Cool. Kubos is in there. Alright, let me get a link to the Discord real quick. Where is the Discord? Okay, Discord. Invite the server. Bear with me. Pin this. Boom, pinned. And let me check if we got sound here. Oh, we definitely got sound. Bless you. Bless you, baby Avery. Alright, let's go ahead, let's drag and drop in our folder, then we'll get booted up. I know I haven't been doing anything crazy on YouTube so far, but from what I noticed, YouTube is starting to push out like a video I made the other day, just slightly, and that wasn't anything crazy. But I don't know if YouTube will actually push live streams without videos or shorts. That's something that we gotta experiment with and figure out. I want you to launch the server locally. I don't think it has the correct, yeah, no, it doesn't have the correct thing up on here. I want you to launch the server locally. After off stream yesterday, before my computer died, I went ahead and just pulled up a couple issues that were going on with the site. It's nothing too crazy. This is all visual stuff too, but it's all stuff that I probably want to fix. And I don't know if this is the right way to do GitHub either. That's the other thing. I don't know if I'm supposed to put this in pull requests or what. I don't know the difference between this stuff, man. But we're still making it. We're getting it done. Little by little. I'm going to aim to stream for probably about an hour today. I know that's a little bit shorter than usual. At some point, I might need to start streaming some video editing stuff on my other channel too. I'm a video editor first, guys, but I mean, we are making the switch little by little into what's it called? Websites. That's the word. I wonder, can we launch another session of Visual Studio Code at the same time? Yeah. Does that overlap? No. Okay. Alright, so as usual, site didn't launch. Not sure why this happens, but it literally happens every single time. I haven't tried launching the site myself from like the terminal or whatnot, so maybe something weird's going on there, but I'm not really sure. What I want to do, oh shit, okay, what I want to do is I also want to make an app for outreach. I will need to install some skills for that, so I'm not sure if this thing lets me install skills or not while the other thing is running. But let's just get this up and running and working on something first. Not sure if we're gonna be able to do this today or not, but we'll see. Kilo settings, agent behavior skills. Let's see. So I want to actually drag and drop this folder in here, so that way we can install this skill. We can install this skill locally or whatever instead of globally, because we don't need it pulling from this skill every single time we start a project. Playing with wipes, Avery. Okay. Alright, I think this is important. Oh, but we need an Appify API. Oh boy, dude, what is going on here? Access search manages digital workflows, including creation, sending, template, la 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 la. Access search. Maybe we could use that. I don't know. I mean, it's not really like, that's just for web search in general. This is going to be useful. I already know. I'm not sure if we'll use it on this project or whatnot, but I'll just install it for this project. Why not? See if this is running. Okay, cool. It's running. Let me look at this real quick. Domain name brainstormer. That could also be useful because we need a new domain for this for sure. When we launch it, internal comms, blah, 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 blah. Lead research. That's exactly what we're going for, so we need that skill. I'm gonna download this before I forget about it, because we'll probably use that for, what's it called? When we're on meetings and stuff. Alright, la da 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 da. Alright, oh, shit, hold on. Alright, so I want to create a lead gen tool that essentially scrapes Google Maps for right now, but maybe we'll add on some additional scraping things later. So let's write up a plan for this and kind of figure out how we're going to do this. Alright, so let me run that up and then let's go back to Jake's Bakes and we're going to pull this up. Let's pull up some of the issues that we're having and we'll just kind of go side by side here if it'll let me. GitHub. Boom. Okay. Issues. Working great. Somebody's gonna have to let me know if they use this work tree thing. Create an isolated Git work tree to experiment safely, keep changes separated, and run parallel sessions without disrupting your current branch. Okay. Alright, we're not going to worry about the nav bar right now. Let me go to the first one. They're starting at $12 on the homepage. On the image on the homepage is nice and all, but it could be executed a bit better. It just doesn't look that nice with either the way you have it set up or on this specific image. So maybe we can brainstorm a better way of doing this. What do you think? Alright, hopefully it understands that and doesn't totally take that out of context. Let's go ahead. Let's work on the next thing too. Boom, boom. Not gonna worry about that right now. When signed in, when given the option for orders and tracking orders, both those two sections should be combined together. We should figure out a way that we can merge these together and make it look really good. Okay. I think we're already running 3, so let's see what this said. What tech stack do you want to use? Let's just go with Python. It recommended it. Just select all those. it just recommends headless browsers, so we'll go with that. Should the tool support searching by keyword, location, or by direct Google Maps URL? Why would it take a direct? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, recommended. Also need to feed this more context of what we're doing, actually. I don't know. We'll let that run and do its thing for a second. Let's go ahead. This change is done. It says... Oh boy, what did that do, bro? What did that do? What did that do? What did that do? I don't know, maybe it tweaked it a little bit. Let me see what it says. Okay. It doesn't tie into the Heroes Warmer. Just I think we're probably gonna end up with option 5, but let me test this out. Let's try option 3. I might remove it after if it doesn't look good. But we're on code mode, so I don't really know why it didn't implement, honestly. Maybe because I asked it a question or something. I think most likely. I guess. I don't know. I kind of feel like we need to build that, but also at the same time. I don't know. I'll just leave it in. Actually, I should have just said just start with Google Maps for now, though. I shouldn't have pushed that. Oh yeah. Okay, I like this a lot better. Okay, that's way better. Okay, that's so much nicer. What are you doing over there? So what happens if I close this issue? I mean, I guess it's fixed. Now what else is working in the background? Alright, combining order tracking. Start new session. I'm also going to keep track of the Olama, see how this is going on usage. Alright, we've used nothing. Resets in 3 days. We could literally bump this stuff up. Alright, so approximately 45 minutes. We need to fix that. I know that was one of the issues. On the home page where it says free delivery with a check mark, 45 min with a check mark and 100% and made. The 45 min makes no sense. We either need to elaborate or take this off. All right, see what it does there. Let's see. You walking around, Avery? Alright, my fiance's just getting her car re-registered in there. Got some issues, so she's figuring that out. That could be a stream ender right there if I need to make a phone call. Hopefully not, though. How do I describe this? So, like, local delivery, that's fine. use Kimmy for this one because I can't take. You can't take screenshots with what's it called? Kimmy. When I scroll through the images here, the dots don't change. It always stays on that first one. Also needed to check these Facebook reviews as well. Make sure they're legit. Let's see. Alright, cool. Let's do the scroll thing. If you guys aren't using Olama, bro, then what are you guys doing? No, but actually, I got recommended Olama by a couple of my friends, and no lie, it's pretty amazing. It is pretty amazing. All right, let's see this now. Does it work? All right. I also should be able to grab my middle mouse button and hold that down and pull and drag to go through the list of pictures. Okay, so oh my goodness. You are playing with your milk, man. What even happened to your milk? Bro, my daughter's literally got like a whole freaking milk puddle on the floor. Like a milk swimming pool. While this is loading, I might need to take a freaking detective mission to figure out where this missing milk bottle is. Where's your milk bottle? Where's your milk bottle, Avery? Probably in there, right? Yeah, I think it's in there. I think it's in your diapers. Yep. Okay. Just be careful over here. You can play with it for a little bit, but I'm gonna wipe that up in a little bit. Guys, no mess, no fun. If you got kids, you know how it is. Do. I think run 3 cloud models at the same time. So wait. Wait. Maybe that means I can run as many sessions as I want. Maybe it's literally I can only run 3 models at the same time. I don't need 3 models, man. I only need 2. So let me see here. She's drinking milk. Avery. Alright, so the refer a friend has no icon. Alright, so right now the refer a friend section in the sign-in page, or the account page, has no icon. We need to fix that. I think it'll get the point. Referral friend section. It's really refer a friend, but You sticking a thermometer in your mouth? That's an interesting place to take your temperature. With that kind of thermometer, at least. Seeing as that one's for your ear. But okay. Hey. Do. Alright, it's not really. It's kind of a clunky. One big thing that I do need to check out is it put like last night it put these Facebook reviews on here, and I need to just verify that these are like accurate reviews, and maybe they are actually, but I need to make sure that these are accurate reviews. Because I know my mother has some reviews on here. Alright, merge orders, tracking section. Let's go ahead and log in. My orders. Nice, nice. That looks good. These are just some fake orders. You speaking into it like it's a microphone? That's not a microphone, you silly goose. On the refer a friend page, I need you to list off like how many crumbs you get for referring somebody. Okay, I wonder if that's set up in the database. So refer a friend, close issue. Ah, shoot, man. I keep jumping out of this, dude. Issues. Bar moves now. Close issue. Baby Avery. Baby Avery. Yeah, I'm kind of second guessing this one. I think that it might have honestly, it might have taken the reviews off the Jake's Bakes page, which is great. Might need to change the nav bar. The 45 makes no sense in the way it is. We already did this. I still might want to tweak it, honestly, because what did it say now? And I don't like this. Yeah, I don't know. Still not totally thrilled by that. Alright, what's going on here, dude? Let's see how this is coming along. Oh, we merged the orders. Did I say that? Yep. Close issue. Oh, you know what? I should probably push this to GitHub after this finishes, I guess. Oh, wait. I'm gonna end up forgetting about this. I'm not entirely thrilled with the way this looks. I think you can make this look a bit better. It just seems to look a bit off. Alright, see what it does with that. Oh, did I ever... Okay, my mic is not muted. Awesome. So I haven't been yapping for 40 minutes straight for no reason. It just seems like there's like not enough going on here or something. I don't know. It feels weird with the gaps here. And that's not right, bro. Like, it doesn't even match up with the freaking bubbles here. So that's just weird within itself. Alright, I'm just gonna close this out. We'll worry about this later. I'm not gonna even test this right now. We're literally just gonna focus on this site. Should be able to add to that money counter soon, which is cool. I wonder, do I have any links in my... Oh, I don't have any links in my page. Okay, let's go through here. Let me see if I can add links to my page or not. I'm gonna wipe up this milk real quick, so don't mind me popping off for a sec. Hi, beautiful. You stay doing what you're doing. You're doing good over there organizing your clothes. Alrighty, folks. We back. Okay, right. I was gonna put links on my page. Alright, Fiverr. Boom, boom, boom. I think my fiance just got back home. So she can hang out with the baby for a bit. And we're gonna pop out of here. Alright, what did I do here? I'm not entirely thrilled with the way this looks. Okay. Yeah, maybe that's a little bit cleaner. That's a little bit closer. I might want to adjust this a bit more.
Why is the floor soaking wet?
Oh, don't worry about that. She just spilled some milk, so I just cleaned it up. I might want to adjust this a bit more.
Come on, miss.
Alright, and then let's go ahead, let's take a new screenshot.
1 second, no, miss. Where's her milk?
She's been, she probably put it in there. Yep. You smiling because mommy's home? Hi, Avery. Alright, I'm gonna lock in for a little bit.
Woo!
I'm actually getting a pretty decent amount of stuff done here, which is kind of nice. Might have spoke too soon.
No. Let's go.
Yeah, dude. I mean, we only use up 6.1% in session usage.
Let's go. Avery.
At the same time, and only have went through 6.1% of usage. All right. Okay, let's drop back down to one session, I think. Let's figure out where we're at right now with everything. Alright, I'm not really thrilled with the way this nav bar pops up, honestly. And I also hate this, I don't know what that cookie looking icon, but it looks nothing like a cookie, bro. It should look like a cookie. What is this? This should resemble what a cookie crumb looks like. I'm not sure what it is right now, but that's not accurate. We gotta change the reward system too. Not sure what we're gonna do on that. Did the nav bar fix itself? I feel like maybe we should just have the nav bar active all the time. We'll open up another session, a Kimmy. I don't feel like that's how we did it. How did we do this before? How did we boot up, yeah, that's not... How did we do this? Bro, I shouldn't have closed it out. Oh, the icon's just literally not there. It's not there for some reason. The nav bar does this weird disappearing animation when you are at the top of the page. What? How can we implement this better? Because I like the concept, but it doesn't look that good the way you implemented it. Okay. And we definitely need to get more videos out on this channel because right now we're just doing live streams, and I really don't think that YouTube is pushing the live streams out because I don't have any videos on the channel. And I decided to share some of these videos with my friends, and I'm not sure whether that's gonna end up helping or hurt the channel. Because they're vibe coders as well, so I assumed that it would probably push the channel in a positive direction because this is literally from scratch. But who knows? It could give YouTube a lot of different audiences because I'm not really sure what they watch on YouTube as well. So I don't know if they're just vibe coding and they're not watching vibe coding content. That might also not promote us to the right audience, but I'm not really sure. So we're doing a redesign of the cookie crumb, redesign of the nav bar, sort of. Users doesn't list the email right now. So we'll load up another thing of Kimmy. Alright, not sure what's going on here, but let's see. Okay, it's just playing with the nav bar. Much better. It switched to a cookie, but we still got to see that in action because I don't actually see that for myself. It's not loading that. I mean, I guess that's fine. To me, this This kind of looks like it looks like a rain cloud or something. I don't know. We'll go with that for right now. We didn't have anything before, so we'll see how that system works. Okay, I like that much more. That's way better implemented, and I know it's not done, so we'll see how it does it. That's way better. Yep. Okay. Or maybe it is done. Improving this. Close issue. Still not crazy about that. Don't like the way that stacks, but it's not doing that anymore, so that's fine. Unless it was on this page or something. Thought this page was broken for a second. Oh, it keeps getting stuck, dude. Keeps getting stuck. Users. I wonder. Okay, so if I put my phone number in here, profile. Yeah, it's too many numbers, or it was too many numbers. All right, it lists it. All right, so that's good. It didn't do what we asked here, but that, I mean, that's fine. I might eliminate some of these dots right here. See how much we use up. 7.4, bro. $7.4%. That's great. That is great. One invite. Bro, I didn't invite nobody. What the hell is this thing saying, dude? Wait. When I just go to the site, does this freaking just invite? I didn't invite anybody, dude. That's not right. See what we can do in here. You can't really... I should be able to adjust the status of the orders in the admin page on the orders section. I should also be able to adjust any details that I need to add notes to orders and just brainstorm some different things that might be helpful for being able to tweak within the orders section. Also, I need to be able to filter in between completed orders and incomplete orders. That'll give us a good head start, at least. Alright, I'm gonna let this finish through. I'm gonna pop off here for a bit. I gotta go hit the gym. Maybe I'll jump back on here later. Maybe not. Maybe tomorrow. But yeah, we will see. Otherwise, I'm gonna stay steady cooking. Might work on this, might work on something else. We'll have to see. But there's always a possibility that there could be a stream later, but also the possibility that there isn't. To be determined. I was feeling like shit earlier, but now I'm feeling pretty good. So who knows? After the gym, I could be 50-50, bro. I could be really awake or I could be really sleepy. But we will see. Can't forget to push this stuff to GitHub too. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, because email can't be changed. Okay. No, that is accurate. Loading. I think the users page broke. Or it's just because of this. So we'll give it a second. This one's probably gonna take a little while, I feel like. Bro, I wish I didn't launch this with Kimmy. I wish I had launched this with GLM. I didn't mean to launch that with Kimmy, bro. Kimmy's alright, but I like GLM more. Kimmy tends to like overthink about the problem and like redo it again and again and again. Also need to get this hooked up to resend. If it's not already, I forget if we did that last night. else? What else? Automated chatbot, automated newsletter generation, automated email generator, automated ad generator. Okay, and then we'll just push that. Let me see. Alright, we're just waiting for this. After this gets done, guys, I'm going to quickly push it to GitHub, and then we're going to pop off. So, let me pop on here. I show this on every stream. You can now find it in my bio on YouTube. But basically, we're getting into websites. I've built a couple websites. I've built a couple apps now. And, you know, we're vibe coding some pretty cool stuff. We're staying updated with the times, using the best stuff out here to deliver some really high quality products so that way you guys can make more money in your businesses. So feel free to check out that page. Maybe I'll have some more pages on here soon. We'll see. But other than that, I do social media marketing as well. I'm big into video content, like it's literally in the title of this. I know this is for Vibe Coding Services. I still need to update this. But yeah. So feel free to contact me for any of those things if you guys need videos, things for social media or your website. It's all cool. It's all cool. Can definitely help you guys out. Alright. Check my messages real quick. Need ChatGPT 2. Bada bing, bada boom. That's definitely no good. We don't need HTML body to type out a message. Unless we integrate AI. Boom. No good. Website's coming back. I assume at least. Alright, so that's not fixed. That issue with the emails. Okay. Not fixed. Let's let this read through here. Do what it's got to do. Let me see if the site's active. but it's just a page, or if it, no, the site's down. Okay. So we really can't even check any more issues at the moment. We literally just gotta wait for this to come back up. Let's see, on May 2nd, this is real. Replit is turning 10 on May 2nd, and to celebrate, agent usage will be completely free for all builders for 24 hours. Agent checkpoint credits across all agent modes, light, power economy, use whichever mode you want, no credits deducted. That could actually really go insane though. That's so funny, bro. Wonder what the hell this is. All right, let's get back, check to see what's going on. I wonder, did the server kill itself, or like, did this kill the server? I'm really not sure, honestly. Oh, is it because it's reading the server TS? Or why is it down right now, dude? I don't know. Roadblock, roadblock. Check our usage, 9.1%. Bro, I could literally use this for like 10 hours a day and be fine for the whole entire week. So 10 hours every single day, get 70 hours a week in for 20 bucks on a llama. Pretty good. Pretty good. I stopped paying for the fire pass because they decided that they were only going to add in one model to the new one, and they're going to bump it up double the price. Double the price for Kimi K 2.6 turbo. Come on, dude. Can this go any quicker, bro? Let's mess around with the auto outreach thing, I guess, while we wait for this. Port is already taken. Dude, it's actually doing something now. It's actually doing something. Okay. Oh man. Oh boy. Was that saying No Gatekeeping by Adam Savage? I don't even know who that is, dude. I don't even know who that is, dude. Don't even know who that is, G. 5 days ago. Now we just got two things that are running slow as hell, bro. Bro, let's co-stream here. Definitely not co-stream. I'm not on his channel right now, but this guy looks cool. Let's sub to this dude, bro. Got some subs, which is pretty dope. I'd usually probably watch him, but right now we're not gonna watch anybody. We're just getting ready to freaking offload this, bro. So no, the worst nightmare, dude. I literally told it not to boot up the server on port 3000, and it literally decided to do it anyways, dude. What is wrong with that, bro? What the hell is going on here, dude? Damn, man. Come on, consider faster. Delegating work. Just get it done, bro. New voicemail. Let's see who this is. We have detected an attempt. No, that's a different voicemail. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, let's just watch this guy on stream real quick. Why not? While we're waiting anyways. Let me kill this music for a sec. I don't know if he's gonna come through.
Can I make polls? I'm gonna make a poll. Start a poll. I don't even know how to post it. Chat. Start a poll. Why not, man? Start a poll.
Alright, he's coming through. I'm not sure how quiet he's gonna be.
Duel by 20 squad. Fuck, man. Who said no? Who's trying to save money here? Oh fuck, say yes. You know the true answer. Bro, buy a llama. A llama? I can't run that shit. Can't run it locally. Maybe with the cloud. I don't know. I mean, dude, Quinn's going hard. You know the true answer. I don't want the true answer. Llama Cloud. I could try that. But I feel like it all comes back to Claude, you know? It's like how like iPhone users try Android, they all go back to Apple. It's like me with Claude, I feel. That's a shout, to be honest. Try to get some of that run it locally. Oh, Llama Cloud. Llama definitely cheaper. It's pretty damn good though. Is that what you're using? Are you using the cloud version?
100% most of the people that, well, actually, I don't know.
Which model is going hard right now? What's on Bridge Bench? Bridge Bench. Overall, 20.6 max. 3.6. Oh wait, what? 3.6. By a few people. Oh, okay. What model do you use though?
Jimmy K 2.6.
GLM.
Bro, we got two
Kimmy
streams going
2.6.
on
I
right now.
heard good things about Kimmy 2.6. It's number 9. Skills bench. Damn. Quinn Claw bench. QA. It looks about the same as
Okay.
3.6.
Hang on, I'm still streaming on here.
You're gonna
TP
post
mark.
camera. She doesn't know to do.
Okay, that's fine.
Sorry, I have to
No, that's fine. Turn off the cam for a sec, guys. Let me see. I can't even find my stream, bro.
It looks pretty interesting for sure. Oh, comes back.
Is it off?
Yeah, it's off right now.
It's on.
No,
Oh,
it's off.
back.
Alright, I'm gonna mute up for a sec,
Funny
guys.
intro, you were the only person I see that actually uses a Llama Cloud. Like, that I've met.
Oops.
my shit at 144p? Why is my microphone shit? I didn't realize how bad it was. Anyways. So right now I'm using the extra usage. It works out the same. Really? I don't know if that's true. Because Scott, he's maxed, so both would be $100. Yeah, but next month that'd be 200. Scott, I only need the $20. Dude, that can't be fucking true. The type of shit I'm working on, I don't even know if Kimmy would be able to do it because he used to just run as quick. I don't know, man. This Kimmy open source? I'm telling, bro, these guys are running the airbases. I could probably test out later. Right now I'm using my extra usage that I have on Claude. ChatGPT new model is great. Oh, I have no doubt it is. Their terminal CLI is pretty shit, I can't lie. So you can meet me at the front. You see me doing first cause I had to make a jump. That's cool. Why does OpenAI keep talking about goblins? Is it April Fool's or something? Starting with GPT 5.0, our models began developing a strange habit. They increasingly mentioned goblins, gremlins, and other creatures in their metaphors. Unlike model bugs, they show up through a tanking eval or spiking. I'm so confused.
Alright. I don't know what's going on in the background here in this stream, guys, but not the stream that I'm watching.
Oh my god, you know
my daughter's watching something on her phone right now, though.
Or caveman mode, Claude. Have y'all seen this? Have y'all seen caveman mode for Claude?
On her phone?
I won't even type to this guy, bro. I'm legit just spamming this guy.
It's useful, though.
Somebody was telling me about Caveman last night, though. I think uses less usage. Alright, how are we doing, bro? Like, is this not done? Like, it's literally still running. It's absolutely ridiculous.
God.
Oh, I just closed it out too. Shit. Whoops, dude. I did not realize that was running.
Oh, there's a thing right at the end. No? Well, it's because I'm on Windows.
Alright, I'm not going to make you guys watch the rest of this. I'm going to pretty much just shut down the stream. If you guys do need a website or an app built, you know, my Fiverr's in my profile, so feel free to check that out. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.